Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're very happy to have you here today. I'm just all kinds of discombobulated. Gee whiz. So, anywho, I am here to share with you a what I eat in a day in a life video. Today is Saturday, and we do actually have some stuff planned for today. Steve, this is his shoulder right here, is going to a model show. He builds models of like cars and airplanes and all kinds of fun stuff, and he's going to enter some in a competition today. So we will be out of the house for a good chunk of the day, which means we either have to decide if we want to go out and eat or if we want to pack food and take it. Kind of leaning more towards packing food, but I'm not sure. I have to think about it for a while. So yeah, that's our plan. And then tonight, of course, I feel like I do this every day in life, but I'm recording a recipe for a collab so I can show you pictures, but the deets will be upcoming here shortly for the collab. Yeah, I was supposed to make it last time I did a day in a life, or maybe 2 videos ago. I was supposed to record it as my dinner, but then I ended up doing something else. So this collab should already be posted before you guys see this. If it is, I will link the video up here in the corner for you. Click on that and go check it out. You will not be disappointed. It is a casserole theme collab for the month of March, hosted by Sandy over at Life with Sandy. So lots of good recipe ideas there. And then was I going somewhere with that? I can't remember. I think I was just telling you about my day. Yeah. So anywho, we are just leaving Scooters, our local small town drive-through coffee place. Yeah, I went there. But guys, here's another one of my conundrums. I could not, what is up with my words today? I could not find a Scooter's nutritional information for the drink that I have. So I followed your advice from last time I had this issue. What do you do when you're eating out at a restaurant and you can't find the specific drink or food that you're looking for? And you guys all said to look for the closest one, so I did. But I want you guys to help me here again too. Let me know what kind of points you come up with for this drink. Let me tell you what it is, and then I'll tell you what I found on the WW app. And if you guys find anything different, let me know down in the comments, because I think it's kind of interesting. Hold on, Steve's pointing at deer. Oh yeah, how many were there?
4 so far.
Okay, well, slow down. There's gonna be 4 deer. We live on the country, and sometimes we get like, do deer travel in herds?
Yeah.
Like herds of like 10 to 20 deer at a time, just running across the road. Oh,
Yeah.
there they all are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. I wish I could have gotten the camera. So you guys could see them, but I'm really excited that you guys got to look at me look at deer. Yeah. What do I always say, guys? Chaos is in the title. You know what you're getting into with us. We're a little crazy chaotic. Now I'm on like the lookout for deer. But anyways, my drink is what I'm trying to tell you guys. We went to Scooters. That's the name of the coffee place. And I got a super skinny caramel latte with almond milk. So my understanding is that this just contains almond milk, sugar-free, caramel flavoring, and coffee, right? You think? I don't know what else is in it, but that's what I'm assuming. And all of those things, there's 0 points, I want to say. But when I looked on the WW app, I think it was Einstein Brothers sugar-free skinny vanilla latte, and it was a large, and it was made with almond milk, and it was 4 points. So where do those points come from? I don't know, but it's really good. And I'm not trying to like make all of my foods 0 points, because I think that's what they should be. I want to be real. So almond milk, coffee, sugar-free caramel. If there's anything else in a latte, let me know. But then again, if you guys could look this up on your trackers and see what you come up with, I mean, maybe it is 0 points. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. So yeah, yep, that's my intro. You're welcome. I hope you guys are still here. It's been, what, like, I don't know. I can't even read it because the car's making my camera shake, but it's been a few minutes. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get this day started. I need more coffee, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I will see you back probably on the way to the car show, or maybe for breakfast. How about I eat breakfast today? That would be good too. Which maybe I'll eat my breakfast on the way to the car show. So both of them are right. But anyways, the gist of that is I will see you in a little bit. Bye. Here is breakfast as promised. I have one of the Go Verdin avocado mashes for 2 points. I'm going to put that on 2 slices of my Aunt Millie's live carb bread. It is 1 slice for 1 point, so 2 points there. And then I'm going to put a hard-boiled egg on it for 0 points, as well as a dash or two of this Trader Joe's. Is it a Jika or a Hika seasoning? I never say it right. But either way, this is going to be a 4 point protein packed breakfast. So I decided I'm going to pack our lunch and snacks for the afternoon. Here I am making some of that chicken salad I've been talking about forever. I'm going to use 2 cans of this Members Mark chunk chicken breast from Sam's Club. Then I'm going to add 1/4 a cup of these dried cranberries, also from Sam's Club for 4 points. A few shakes of this celery salt, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of this light Miracle Whip for 12 points. This recipe made 6 servings, and each serving of the chicken salad came to 4 points. I put the chicken salad on one of these Joseph's flax, oat bran, and whole wheat pita bread for 1 point with a little bit of lettuce, and it turned out really good. With that, I decided to have some freeze-dried Asian pears fruit crisp. Guys, these are a new find for me, and they are so good. And best part is, they're only 2 points. I decided to have one of my zero sugar Dr. Peppers with cream soda with a piece of light string cheese for 2 points. Then I had one of my old Wisconsin turkey sticks for 2 points and 23 natural raw unsalted almonds for 3 points also. Okay guys, it is like 6:40 p.m. I haven't talked to you for a while, so I figured I would hop on here and at least give you a little bit of an update. We're done with the car show. Was totally not anticipating that it would last this late, but that's okay. We had a good time. Steve and Ava enjoyed themselves, and it was a good chance for Ariana and I to support their hobbies. So good times there. Ava got first place for her car, and then Steve got third place for which was it? Was it one of your airplanes? For one of his military airplanes. I'm so bad with the names, I couldn't tell you. So we're looking forward to the next car show for sure. And yeah, we are on our way home. I still have to make dinner, and then I'm going to sip on this zero sugar A&W root beer for 0 points while I make dinner. So I will see you once dinner is complete. And here is my top secret dinner. The only thing I'm willing to tell you about this yummy, yummy meal is that it is 8 points. And if you want the recipe, you'll have to either click on the video link at the beginning of this video, or I'll post it down in the description box also.